Hi friends, my name is Amrita. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is VHSS Viranakav. My class teacher, Saumi teacher. My father's name Hari. My father's job carpenter. My mother's name Ashwini. My mother's is housewife. I have a brother. Brother's name Abhishek. My hobby is music and craft. My favorite fruit, pineapple. Thank you, friends.
Test reading by Amalasas. The house that Jack built. This is the house that Jack built. This is the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the rat that are the malt. This that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the rat that killed the rat that at the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. Thank you.
I am Pranav Pierce. I am studying in 5th standard from Government VHS Viranakav School. Today I am introducing my favorite teachers. I like the teachers very much. All the teachers are like my mother. Teachers help me with everything in school. I wish good luck into the teachers, all teachers. Thank you, teacher. Thanks.
Hi friends, my name is Pranaya Pradeep. My study is 3rd standard from Government VHS Viranakav. Today I am in reading English textbook. The Magic Ring. Look at the picture. Give me. One morning, Abin went to the seashore with his father. Abin said her, I will be back soon. Abin, his father, sailed away in a small boat from fishing. Abin sat on the seashore waiting for his father. Abin looked at the blue sea. He tried to connecting the boats. There were very many. He began to dig a small pit in the sand. A wave came and filled it with water. Horace pressed. The fishing boats were come back. He saved curves and kicks flying close to the boats. The boats reached the shore and the fisherman filled their basket with fish. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Pradiksha. I am studying in 7th standard at Government VHS Viranakav School. My mother's name is Suma. She is working in a private company. My father's name is Jain and he is a businessman. My sister's name is Agamsha. She is studying in 10th standard. My hobbies are drawing, singing, reading, etc. My ambition is to be chartered accountant because I am interested in maths. I have a peaceful and a good family.
Hi friends, my name is Aryare. Test reading. Keep your eyes open. Once upon a time there was a lion that grew so old that he was unable to kill any prey for his food. So he said to himself, I must do something or else I will die for starvation. He kept thinking and at last an idea struck him. He decided to lie down inside the cave pretending to be ill. Those who came to inquire about his health would become his prey. He put his wicked plan into practice and it started working. Many of his well wishes got killed. But evil is short-lived. One day a clever fox came to visit the lion. He stood at the mouth of the cave. He looked around and understood the reality. So he called out to the lion from outside and asked, "How are you, sir?" The lion replied, "I am not feeling well. Why do not you come inside?" Then the fox replied, "I would love to come in, sir, but I see all the footprints as going into your cave, but none as coming out. I would be foolish enough to come in." Saying so, the fox went to alert the other animals.
Good morning, respective teachers and my dear friends. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriot in India. He was born on 2nd October in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People called him Bapu. Gandhiji's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. He returned to India as a barrister, took part in the struggle for freedom. His guidance, we became free on 5th August 1947. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse 13 January 1948. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Godly Siddhi. I am studying in 6th standard. My school's name is VHSS Veernagavu. So I am making a turmeric candy. Let's watch the video. Ingredients. First, turmeric, sugar, chili powder, salt. Switch on the pan. Stove. First, we take the turmeric to the half-boiled water for half hour. Put the turmeric water into the pan. Put the sugar into the water. And strain it. Take some chili powder to it, a little bit. Take some salt to this. I allow it boil. Wait for a minute. See this stage of our stove. So friends, our turmeric candy is ready. All of my friends try at home. Thank you.
Good morning, respective teachers and my dear friends. I am Akshara Balaji. Textbook reading. The little clay hut. The journey tracked down the village road. A bullock cart moved on. The cart full of clay pots went swinging and swaying along, humming a tune. The cartman drove along. A little clay pot peeped out and cried, "Wow, what a beautiful place!" Buzz first the fly. Pluck. Down jumped the pot on to the grass bed. The pot rolled over and hit in the thick green meadows. By and by, a fly came flying and saw the pot. It was Buzz the fly. "Oh, a little clay hut. I wondered who lives here. Yoo-hoo! Anyone inside?" She looked inside the pot. It was empty. The fly flew in and made the pot her home. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Aditya, studying 5th standard in Government VHSS Vienna School. Today I am singing a song to our textbook in Letter to the Girl, returned by Christina Rosty. White sheep, on a blue hill. White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? White sheep, where do you go? Thank you.
My name is Vaishak. I am studying in
First.
first standard. I am
6.
6 years old. I am live in Anagod.
My.
My school name is VHSS Veeranagavu.
A very good evening to all. On behalf of my school, I extend a really hearty word of thanks to our Honorable HM inaugurated by the English Fest. Respected teacher, all the participants, dear students and beloved parents, thank you very much for joining this fest.